So I got a week off and I'm taking my lovely boy on a camping trip down to Dorset, and I'm actually really looking forward to going with you because I think quality time is well needed between the two of us. So I've got all the bikes and scooters packed in the back, all strapped up, and he's filling up the drinks for our journey, and we'll see you when we get there. Campsite, Clayford House, goes down an unknown road, so we're for another mile, and this is what the road looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. You know you're going somewhere a bit in the woods. Love it. This is Claydon Fields, the entrance. You've got to ring them up when you enter. It's fairly busy and it's just a field. There's no other amenities. Arrived at Claydon Fields. It's not too busy. And now for the palaver of getting the bikes out, which we're going to have to do all the time. So Cason's going to help me get them out. As soon as we got the bikes out, he's off on it. That's good. There's a bike trail not too far. Here we are. I've finally reached our destination down in Dorset near Poole at a campsite called Claydon Fields. And I've got him with me, which I'm really excited about. And we've got our bikes, and we're just going to go to the toilet now. We're making noodles as soon as we get here. You know, those spicy ones. So easy. He's easy to please. So we're both sat just observing the scenery. It's going to get quite busy. There's about another 15 camper vans, tenters turning up today. And I've got my bowl of croutons, some coleslaw and alioli. And then we're going to go for a bike ride later. Ah, this is great. On my folding bike. I'm a walker, not a cyclist, so this is a bit uneasy for me. But this is great, just off the campsite. Just around the corner from the campsite is a bike track. Goes all the way. Look at that, doesn't that look wonderful? So me and my son are on our folding bikes and we're going for a little bike ride. I've just forgotten how brilliant it is to get on the bike and be in the open air. It does look like it's going to rain a little bit, but we're like risking it, aren't we? Smile! Such a lovely bike trail, the Castleman Trailway. It just goes on and on into the forest. You can go in any direction, and it's just for bikes and horses. And this is your washing up area. Started to rain, so I've covered up the bikes outside with a bit of tarpaulin, and just watching everybody run into their tents and caravans. It's really raining outside, and we sat in the van just enjoying the pitter patter of the rain, and we're wanting it to hail and really calm down because we're just enjoying the sounds that it's making, isn't it, Bobbos? But it's only about 6 o'clock, so we've still got another 4 hours before it gets dark, and then we can lie in bed and watch a film. Yay! I had a bit of tarpaulin in the van, which I covered the bikes with because it rained earlier on. But this is the whole reason why I'm staying at a campsite, is because the chances of them being nicked are very scarce over here. So we're out for a bike ride number 2, and we've named our bikes. One of the pink bags is obviously mine, called Pixie, and his is called Dixie. Pixie and Dixie. I'm making chicken stir fry I'm cheating, I'm using one of these instead. Sat outside in the makeshift kitchen, enjoying the outdoors. So I bought my gas cooker outside so that I could sit and cook a chicken stir fry using noodles and that packet mix. Oh, it's just a different experience doing this. So dinner tonight, egg fried noodles with chicken satay, improvised on a upside down table. Yo, look at this little gadget. Fits into a USB, lights up the whole van like a disco. I'm not sure I'm going to have this on for very long. We're in bed now. We are watching a film, Netflix. There's me, you can't see me with a light.
and we're trying to use the flash drive on it because I downloaded about 30 films last night.